Climate change is an urgent and serious issue, but talking about climate change in a way that everyone understands is not easy. Map plays a crucial role in communicating climate change. However, understanding the climate-related maps published by authorized institutions are sometimes difficult.
Without the basic knowledge in climate and basic understanding in maps, people cannot understand some posts very well.
Besides, some mapping products are even being misused in social media to deny climate change.
So I decided to do something about it by teaching the people how to make maps for climate change in social media.
To fix this issue, I developed a tool called ClickMap. This tool is designed to help institutions improve their climate communication by refining the way they create and share maps. First, users can enter the headlines. Our generative AI agent will provide suggestions for text adjustment to make the message clearer. Second, users can upload their map. The tool will analyze the map and automatically segment and classify the map elements, such as the title, legend, and colors. It then provides tailored suggestions, like adjusting the size or color of certain elements to enhance invisibility and coherence, or adding the missed elements. With ClickMap, users can make sure their maps and posts are accurate and clear before sharing them online. This way, we can help more people understand climate change and fight misinformation. The idea for my prototype, ClickMap, came from my experience as a geospatial intern at the United Nations IFRC in 2022. My job involved assessing climate environmental risks. During that time, I noticed that many people had trouble understanding the maps we post on social media. This observation stuck with me. After my internship, I began my doctoral research at Technical University of Munich, focusing on how maps are used in climate communication. I wanted to solve the problem of unclear climate maps, so I started researching and conducting interviews. In my classes, I worked with students to analyze social media posts to see if they were easy to understand. We also conducted user experiments using tools like eye checkers and bubble views to see which map elements were most important for the audience. Through these studies, I found that the source of the map is the most critical element. Maps should be self-explanatory and match the content they accompany. Well-designed maps are more convincing, and headlines should avoid emotional language. I use this insight to develop ClickMap. The tool includes tips from our research and features like segmenting and classifying map elements to improve clarity. This process of design and research helped me create a tool that makes climate communication more effective. Testing our prototype, ClickMap, has been an insightful journey. We started with pilot tests involving staff from international organizations. For example, the team at UN Mappers shared their experience with social media. They have a large network and always need to communicate with mappers online. They highlighted the growth rate of automatic map improvement, which confirmed that our tool is heading in the right direction. To further test our tool, we organized a map zone. Participants were split into two groups. One used our tool and the other did not. After publishing their posts, we used a misinformation platform to test the credibility of their content. We were pleased to find out that posts created with ClickMap had higher credibility. We also spoke with an expert from the German Red Cross. She provided valuable feedback, suggesting we had a one-click publish the all media feature. However, we also encountered some concerns. The first was about the stability of the generative AI agent. The second was regarding headlines. Users suggested that we had added a feature to adjust text based on the target audience.
Our participants actually they have like different background, and we found that like different people need different kind of some map to like understand about climate change. One size doesn't fit all.
For example, posts for professionals like those for IPCC should prioritize correctness, while popular science media should focus on being easy to understand.
Empowered by our toolkit, like more people they can create beautiful and understandable maps to support their local communities with their own languages.
These findings have been incredibly helpful. We plan to use this feedback to make ClickMap even better, ensuring it meets the needs of different map users and remains a reliable tool for climate communication.